get back here. Yes. We're in the Disney Springs parking lot. We finally made it. It is 2 o'clock.
In the morning.
It's 2 p.m.
It's really bright.
There's like a ginormous thunderstorm over top of Disney Springs, so that's fun, but we're gonna walk around for a little bit.
And how many parking spots are available on these going this way?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in.
Where are we going? What's the donut place called?
Everglazed.
That's where we're off to first, by his request. Yes, Ellie. It's fine.
Alright, y'all.
How about this?
I think we're good. Connor, you know the rules.
Jump on 3.
Okay, I will bust you all up.
Bust you. I will bust you.
Your husband took the elevator down all by himself.
Are you serious?
Wait, are we eating first or going up there first? We're going to the donuts first. That's what he said.
We're about to do some wheelies.
Donut reveal, what'd you get?
Strawberry glaze.
Wow.
I don't check for treats.
What did you get?
$18 chicken tenders. $18. Yeah, $18. Three of them.
We have to make sure Raven's not gonna die when he takes a bite of the donut. What? That? Yeah.
That is not going to have tree nuts in it.
Sounds good. Maybe.
Maybe.
Is that banana nut? Whoa.
I thought they were green filled.
Pretty good. Is it good? Not good.
Try it. I know. Did you get a natural?
Try this.
You're good.
So either green or dry.
Try this.
Is that how is it?
That's pretty good.
So we didn't check that with the tree nuts. You're good. There's no way these are the tree nuts. Is that good?
That's good. It's raining again.
If I were to rate this 1 to 10 donuts that I've had, I'm giving it a 1 out of, no, I'm not giving it a 1. 8.37.
What is bad?
The chicken is so fresh.
What's the review out of 10? So we're doing the whole vlog. We gotta rank every food out of 10.
Look at that. Look at that ridge.
What out
That's a
of
hot tender. That's a 10 on the hotness scale, heat wise. And I give it a 9 on taste because it can always get better.
That's good.
That's the one I tried, but
What is your chicken sandwich?
Probably a 9.
Wow. Okay, it looks bigger in here than the pictures. Whoa. Showing you now before it's all a mess. Brought them into safety. It feels bigger than the pictures. What's all these? Well, bathroom. Game room. Laundry and then game room. Look at that baby fan.
So we're all upstairs.
This. Do you guys have to share a bathroom with them? No.
Maybe it's this one that we
And I think that one else does that even have that?
But there's no connecting bathroom?
No, I share a bathroom with things like walking.
Oh.
No way. Look, we got 4 bedrooms up here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms up here.
Yeah. These two are my mom, pops, and then these 3 are supposed to be us kids.
Oh, okay.
We've unpacked. I showed you a little mini tour, but it was chaos trying to get, it was pouring when we got here, so we had to get everyone's luggage from the car inside, so we got drenched again. But now we're on our way out to Character Warehouse. Our room does not have a fan, and our room does not have any sound, and guess what? I forgot the sound machine. So we're going to, while we're out, go to like Walmart or something and pick up a mini fan because I cannot sleep without air moving. There's literally no air in there. But the house is cool other than that. Look at it.
I can do this
Love
throughout
it.
the night.
In the air? Oh.
Disney World.
Look at Stitch. Star Wars Crocs.
With the Crocs and Jibbits.
Is that good?
Yeah,
That's
you
good.
can't even Crocs are on sale $20. And this is with Disney.
But are those
Crocs are totally your thing. Sydney, you want some Croc heels?
I know, I saw those. Right?
Please.
Yeah.
Please get that.
You see the neon lights?
Oh, these are weird. Bango, bango, bongo.
Oh, yeah.
With that haircut. Look at it. It's still here. Still here, and they dropped the price. Array lightsaber.
That's
Great.
I don't want to be mean publicly, but the talent herself, she's amazing. The character Rey, just not.
No bueno. Look at them. Look at these. I like these classics.
Whoa, look.
Look at that.
There's a Star Wars one.
I know.
Oh, it's a new look.
Look at it.
This is the OG. This is from the first movie.
That is so cool.
Star Wars?
It's
I mean, 35. Is,
compare. It's usually like $100.
that's crazy. And that would be like... I don't like that.
We'll come back if we still want it at the end.
I don't like how like I know what they're trying to do, but it looks like they just gave the Millennium Falcon cheeks.
A Stitch puffer jacket? Maybe.
Look.
Oh, we could have gotten you a Star Wars magic band. Look at that Stitch puffer coat. Huh?
Are they looking at pins?
I think they're trying to find them.
Oh yeah, they're.
Oh, they found a pin trading board. It's so 90s. I'm pretty sure I had stuff like this when I was little. It's only 15 bucks. If he's still here, we'll come back for him.
What are your thoughts on the pin selection at this store?
So
Whoa.
Oh, is that a cooler?
How much? Or first show me what the price was.
I wish I could see those pins up though. 60 bucks.
That was 60 bucks, and now it's
30 bucks.
wow. Whoa.
It's only 15 bucks.
Ewok and Stormtrooper. What was it?
It was 45. Guess what do you think it is now?
It is now 30.
15.
15. Wow.
I like those new textures of the lounge flies. Like. Okay, we're done at Character Warehouse. We have a list of things we want if we don't buy certain things at actual Disney. So we're coming back on our day off to get the things we want if they're still here, / if we haven't started to get things at the parks. Now we are on our way to Publix to get some chicken for dinner. And if you don't know what a Publix is, when you're here, I suggest you find one and get some chicken. You're welcome in advance. I should have told you to brought the baby screwdriver because it's already in loose.
As well. I guess it depends where we were.
That's the best video ever.